my RC car. That little very fast thing. Oh my gosh. There are like a ton of mosquitoes out here. Get ready. Oh, there's some people coming. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh crap, the dog is like, it wants it.
I love your toy.
That's funny.
I'm gonna try to flip the car. Oops, that's not flipping the car. Okay, 3, 2, 1, try to flip it! Flip! Oh my gosh! Oh my! No way! No! Oh my gosh! No! This truck, I can't. I'm holding the remote and the the phone, so this is hard. This thing literally just did a flip and landed. Oh, I wish I got that on camera. I kind of did, but it's kind of blurry. So like, and the funny thing is, the people that went by with the dogs, oh my gosh, this thing just reversed into me. Oh my gosh, the people that came by with the dogs, they're the people that live like literally right behind us. So that's pretty lit. Let's take a look at my truck that I got for Christmas. I got for Christmas. So his name is Ruckus. It's a lit truck. One sec, let me try to see if I could do this. Hi. Hello, it is me. No, not that. This. Okay, there you go. It looks like that might work. Oh my gosh! My car literally just did a wheelie. Wait, let's see if we can do it again. Okay, there's a car coming. I'm about to park the car. Nice parking skills. Stay there. Stay. Good truck. Oh my gosh. What is this truck doing? Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Mosquitoes. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh, nope. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if I can do a flip right in front of the camera. Nope. Okay. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! I did it again. But I didn't get it on camera. What's wrong with the turn? Reverse. Go, go, go. There's something wrong with the turn. Bring it. Oh, oops, oops, oops. Let's bring it in. Let's turn it off so nothing happens. Let's see. It's like this button right here. Boom. What is wrong with... Wait, what is that? Did I kill something? I think I... Oh, no, it fell off. No, that's not anything. I didn't kill anything. Good. Let's see what's wrong with the steering. Oh. It looks like there's nothing wrong with the steering. Oh, wait, let me turn the... I can't reach the remote. Oh, I'm too lazy. I'm actually not too lazy. I'm like literally multitasking right now. Okay, let me just show my shoes. Get the remote. And there we go. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna drive it and lit. Oh my gosh, where is the thing? There is the thing. There will be another video of